You see her yet? I freaked her out. That's a fully developed queen cell. Y'all wonder why I don't wear a suit? It is flippin' hot. Hot and humid. Like, it gets to my chest. It feels heavy. It feels like I could pass out. That's why I don't wear a suit. I use liquid smoke. It just kind of masks my scent and keeps the girls calm. And then also use my smoker on the hive as well. When I was over here last looking at the hives that I'm going to be looking at today, one of the queens was not moving around like she should. I was very hesitant to even close her up. I just felt bad. I wanted to give her like honeybee CPR or something, but anyway, I'll have to see what she's up to today. So you can tell a lot by a hive before you even open it up. Listen to the hive. Observe the front entrance at different times of the day. I got some new gloves, and these are smalls compared to mediums. They say snug fit. They're not lying. That's a fully developed queen cell.
And this is the hive that I was worried about. Just as I suspected, they are queenless. After fully inspecting the entire box, as beautiful as this frame is with nectar glistening, that's not what I was looking for. I did not see any eggs or larvae or signs of a healthy queen.
I am down into the bottom box, and all I see still is capped brood. Lots of drones and workers, no queen yet. And based on what I'm seeing, even if there were one, she's really not laying. I'm glad I didn't go straight to the bottom box. Do you see her? Where'd she go?
In addition to that big, beautiful blue queen walking around there, look at all that fanning going on. All them wings flapping, cooling the box down and turning nectar into honey.
Do you see her? You see her yet?
That's a beautiful sight. Looks like a little disco ball in there. All that fanning going on. That's their way of communicating as well. Like, hey, come over here. Look what I found.
So this is Parker Bean. Look at her laying an egg. She's almost black. Very dark. There she is. I could see her before I even finished pulling the frame up. She's big and plump. Do you see her? I freaked her out. Do you see all these bees just dancing in front of my face here? And all around me. They know that it's me. and they know that they're not going to sting me. It's almost like they're just coming to say hi, coming to hang out. There she is. Do you see her? Did you see her before I did? Do you see her yet? I just want to leave 9 frames in this top super so that they make more of a chunky frame, so it's easier to get the wax cappings off. So I'm going to use my Bee Space spacer. Perfect for spacing out 9 frames. Cheers, ladies.
After a long day in the bee yard, nothing better than ending with a sweet reward. Thanks for watching. Happy beekeeping!